Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Samsung Music Frame LS60D and I'm going to show you how can you easily find its user manual. Let's get started. So at first we have to open our web browser and now we have to search for Samsung Music Frame Manual. And now we have to click search. Now we have to scroll down and as you can see, Music Frame HW LS60D Frame Designware Speaker 2024. We have to click on it, accept all, scroll down, and as you can see there is an option manuals and downloads. We have to click on it and there is simple user guide, user manual in French, upgrade guide in English, upgrade file, USB type, and that's it. Hope it helps you. Like and subscribe for these videos and goodbye.